Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by ensuring power and backups. This prevents interruptions and data loss. Once your Surface is charged and files saved, shut down completely. Next, hold volume up and power briefly to access UEFI if the regular boot menu fails. Make sure to have a keyboard attached if you prefer selecting options. These initial steps place your device into a state where the built-in recovery tools can run reliably. Do not skip backup, because reset erases personal data. Now you perform the reset itself. From the recovery menu, choose Troubleshoot, then reset this PC. You'll be asked to keep my files or remove everything. Select Remove Everything to ensure a full restore. Once prompted, pick Fully Clean the drive for a complete wipe. This takes longer but removes personal traces and prepares the device for resale or reuse. Follow on-screen confirmations. The process will reboot multiple times. You're doing this to return software to factory condition and fix deep issues. Finish by completing the out-of-box experience. Set language, region, and account choices. Once signed in, install Windows updates and drivers so performance stabilizes. If the reset fails or loops, create a USB recovery drive on another PC using Microsoft's recovery image and reinstall. Alternatively, run the Surface Diagnostic Toolkit to identify hardware faults. Make sure to reconnect peripherals only after setup. This final phase ensures the reset accomplished a clean, stable system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.